But has the drought and water scarcity been compounded by incompetence and mismanagement by state governments? The government actually has a detailed drought manual that sets out standard procedure to tackle precisely such situations. The few places where the manual has been followed are relatively better off. In most other places, callousness and neglect have reaped utter desperation.
We all by now know the images that defined the drought of 2016. People risking their lives for water, tankers that cost crores of rupees, crops that are wiped out. The question to ask though, was all this inevitable or man-made? After all, Marathwada is facing its third successive drought. Rains last year were close to 50% below normal. All it takes is for the government to follow its own handbook, the Manual for Drought Management, available from November 2009 on the Agricultural Ministry's own website. A 200-page document that clearly sets out the steps that could have been taken to minimize the impact of drought. But on the ground, enough evidence that this remained largely on paper. One of the first things it says is to identify water sources and revive them before the monsoon starts. The use of tankers is only when all options are exhausted, and trains are a last resort. But here in parched Osmanabad district, evidence of how those basic rules are ignored. अभी इसका बताइए कि ये कब से बंद है ये?
अभी पिछले 5-6 महीने से बंद है।
5-6 महीने से। टोटल कितना है ऐसे यहाँ पे?
यहाँ पे 25 है।
25 है।
हाँ 25।
सब बराबर बंद है। तो बेसिकली यहाँ सारा पानी कहाँ से? टैंकर से आ रहा है।
टैंकर से आ रहा है।
तो अभी जैसे प्रशासन बोलता है कि हमने एक बहुत बड़ा ये कोई जलयुक्त शिविर का अभियान निकाला है, उसमें हम ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं।
सब झूठ बात कर रही है। सब झूठ बात है वो।
अच्छा,
कुछ नहीं कर रहा है प्रशासन।
बताइए कि यहाँ कोई सरकार ने कदम लिए थे कि दुष्काल जब आ रहा है तो आपके जो वाटर रिसोर्सेज है उनको रिचार्ज करने के लिए, जैसे कि ये कुआं है।
कुआं जी कुछ नहीं लिया गया है।
ये कुएं के बारे में बताइए कितना पुराना है ये
कुआं तकरीबन 70-80 साल पुराना है।
इस ओड़े का नाम है बारोसोड़ा।
In neighboring Sholapur, evidence of how implementing the rule book can reduce the severity of the crisis. पिछले साल आपने यहाँ पे एक
वनराई बंदरा किया, जो कि
बंद बनाया, मतलब
बांध छोटा सा बांध बनाया।
हाँ।
बिगर मौसमी बारिश आ गई।
अनसीजनल
रेन हुआ।
अच्छा।
इससे ये पूरा का पूरा स्ट्रक्चर भर गया।
उसके बाद जब फाइनली बारिश आया जून जुलाई में, ड्राउट रहा, मानसून ठीक से नहीं आया, उसके बावजूद भी आपके पास यहाँ पानी था।
इसीलिए ये जो हैंडपंप है, इससे इसका वाटर लेवल अभी बढ़ा है।
Water sources which have been done by the government, public authorities, they were not on record, and as a result we found out those. So just a staggering figure from 6,000, it has gone to 15,000 plus
water sources. So originally there were 6,000, you found there were 15,000.
15,000. We brought them on record, and then we started implementing GSD Act, that is regulation and development of those sources.
That means activating them, making them working, and utilizing that for the purposes of drinking purposes only. Okay.
So once we do this, the major problem of scarcity is done away with.
Statistics suggest Solapur might be an exception. Marathwada's 7 drought-hit districts appear to be struggling to meet targets for the state government's premier scheme for water management. Since December 2014, when the program started, they have, on an average, achieved only 23% of their targets.
There is a huge natural component to this drought. However, having said that, it should not have precipitated in a drinking water crisis like it has now. If you compare this with Solapur, which also received lesser rainfall than Latur and Osmanabad and Parbhani, there the drinking water crisis is not so acute, and the problem and the solution lies in management of drinking water, which should have been done in a much better way. So though there is a huge natural angle to the whole drought, the drinking water crisis right now is a crisis of mismanagement of water resources, and that's very clear.
The result, proud farmers have now become broom makers.
यहाँ के सब लोग झाड़ू बनाने का काम करते हैं, जो कि वो अभी देखिए खुद झाड़ू बनाने का काम करते हैं।
अच्छा, उसी में उनका गुजारा चालू। With camera person Xavier and Sonal Matharu, Srinivasan Jain in Marathwada for NDTV.